the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earbuds. These are premium earbuds that come in at the higher end price range. So are these the best earbuds? I will go over the features, provide a sound sample of the microphone, and give my final thoughts on it. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The earbuds come with the user guide, various sizes for the ear tips, and the USB-C charging cable. It has an app available for iOS and Android that will let you control the settings. So let's go over some of the specs. It has 4 hours of listening time, 8 additional with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls for listening to music and taking calls, and it's IPX4 rated for splash resistant. The case is lined with a fabric type material, and you can see the logo on the top. On the back of the case, you have the LED status indicator, USB-C input, and the LED button. And the bottom is a plate for the model info. Opening the lid, you will notice that it uses a magnet, so it provides a nice tight close. And you can see the Sennheiser branding. The earbuds are also held in by magnets, and this will prevent it from falling out. Removing the earbuds, you will see the magnetic holders along with the charging contacts for each of the earbuds. The earbuds have a simple design and are very light. Each of the earbuds have the interchangeable ear tips, magnetic holder, charging contacts, and a status LED. They also have the microphones. And here is the left earbud. Controls are accessed by touching the metallic spin ring on the outside. The left side controls are as follows. Tap once for play pause, tap 2 times for next track, tap 3 times for previous track, and hold it down for volume down. And the right side controls are tap once to accept an end call, tap once for voice assistant, tap 2 times to reject a call, tap 2 times for the transparent hearing mode, and hold down for volume up. Holding both down for 5 seconds will pair to your device. The case comes in at about 3 inches by 1.7 by 1.3 inches. And it weighs in at 59 grams, while the earbuds come in at about 13 grams. To begin, you can download the Sennheiser Smart Control app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair. Once paired, the app will show the current charge of the earbuds, and you can modify a few of the settings as shown. You can also toggle the settings for transparent hearing, which will allow you to hear outside noises. There is also an equalizer that you can modify depending on your listening preferences. And here's a quick sample on how the microphone sounds. This is a test of the microphone for the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. This is coming from the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So here are my final thoughts on the Momentum True Wireless. This can be subjective as everyone has different tastes when it comes to sound signatures. For comfort, I give it a 4. If you are not used to the earbud style, it can become uncomfortable after long periods of time. But having the multiple sizes can help you get a better fit. Build and quality, I give it a 3.5. I'm a bit disappointed with the quality. The case has a cloth type material that I feel will get dirty over time, and it feels a bit cheap. There can be a bit of a learning curve with the touch controls, and it's a bit confusing. The earbuds also feel a bit flimsy, and the battery life is only 12 hours in total with the case. For sound, I give it a 4. It doesn't disappoint. Starting off with the lows, you will find that the bass is just right, and adjusting the EQ can even enhance it further depending on the music type you listen to. Mids and highs were very crisp and clean, and it sounded pretty balanced. Overall, they are great sounding earbuds, but I feel that they are overpriced. There are definitely better alternatives out there that can deliver the same experience, and you can save a little bit of more money. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.